Ricky, you want the toy? Yeah? You want the toy? Oh. Hey. Mike Tyson. Oh, shit. OJ, you want the toy? Damn, he's so abusive. You want the toy? Yeah? Ricky, do you want the toy? Yeah? Yeah? Look at mommy, yeah? What's doing?
I want the toy.
What toy?
A pony one.
I don't buy you a pony toy.
Your cousin.
No, he doesn't.
What is it?
What toy are you talking about?
I think it was. What is it?
It's no toy.
What is the toy?
In the store.
Mister, what is mine?
I took it back to the store.
No.
Yeah.
You did.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Ow! Stop.
Vicky, I took it back to the store, girl.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Guys, where are you?
Get it.
I can't.
What are you looking for?
For my toy.
It's in the store. We returned it. Yeah. What are you doing, Bella?
Nick is finding my toy.
No, Nick is getting his clothes for school tomorrow.
Yeah, my clothes. Yeah. I think I saw it in the living room. Yeah, check. Check in the living room. It's right there by the fish tank.
No.
I saw it, right, Mommy?
You saw it? Thank you, Nick.
Ricky's. Give me.
My toy.
It's right there?
No.
I can't believe that.
Maybe in the couch.
Yeah, check in the couch.
No.
Check the couch.
No.
Then you're never gonna find it.
Maybe it's in mommy's room.
Yeah.
Yep.
On the floor.
No, in the bathroom maybe.
Yeah. In Mommy's bathroom. Check out Mommy's bathroom. Go, go, go. Check, fast, run.
I hide the bean.
Huh? Go check mommy's room, Bella. No, mommy's room. On top of the bed. Yes, it is. Go to mommy's room on top of the bed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can I have Ricky's? Ricky! In the bag, Nick. Thank you very much.
Next, mine. I need my toy.